In this video, we are going to look into the inequalities. So here, solve for the value of x if x minus 3 is less than a half. So here is our solution to be x minus 3 less than a half. So x is less than a half plus 3. So the value of x will be less than 3 and a half. So if you want to put this on a number line, okay, on a number line, it will be -1. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 here. So we're saying x is less than or equal to 3 and a half. So assuming half is here, this is where half is. So when it is less than or equal to, you shed, then you go to the opposite side, to the negative side, if you are representing it as n with only a number line. Okay, this is how you solve. And also solve for the value of x for this inequality. 5x plus 2 is greater than 1. 5x is greater than 1 minus 2. 5x is greater than minus 1. We divide both sides by 5, both sides by 5. So x is greater than 1 over 5. So if you are also representing this 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5, then 1. Same goes here, it goes like -1 over 5, -2 over 5. It goes this way. So we're saying x is greater than -1 over 5. So since it is greater, we don't shed. We just put a circle. After putting a circle here, we point to this direction on the greater side. So x is greater than -1 over 5. And lastly, we are going to find the value of x on this inequality. So -4x is greater or equals to a half minus 3. So -4x is greater or equals to a -2 and a half. If that is the case, we're going to divide both sides by -4. Divide both sides by -4. Then we cancel here, we cancel here. X is now less than or equal to. When you divide with a negative, the sign always changes. Then we divide the sign, the negative signs, we get 2.5 over 4. So if you are to simplify this, we are saying 2.5 multiply, we add. So is nothing but 5 over 2. So if it is 5 over 2, we are dividing again by 4 here. It will be like this, to be equal to this, which is equals to 5 over 2 times 5 over 2 divided by 4 over 1. 5 over 2 times 1 over 4, which is nothing but 5 over 8. So x is less or equals to 5 over 8. Show me how you can put on a number line. Show on a number line. That's your assignment. Bye-bye.